Outlook brings to you excerpts from its latest issue titled Cinema Politico. The issue explores politics and cinema and the ever blurring lines between the two. Ahead of 2024 Lok Sabha elections, a slew of propaganda movies have hit the big screen and OTT platforms amid much criticism and uproar, while many more films are slated to release in the coming weeks, stirring even a bigger debate. The latest issue of Outlook looks at the genre of nationalist and propaganda films in the Indian context and also continues with the exploration of the ideology question in the context of upcoming general elections. Both themes are contextual and linked in many ways. A roller coaster ride by Abhik Bhattacharya from Outlook. In this, he traces the ideological journey of BJP, which mirrors the journey of India itself, from the pre-liberalization era through the Mandal-Kamandal politics to the current condition. A seemingly harmless decision in 1979 ended up reshaping Indian politics. The biggest beneficiary was the Bharatiya Janata Party. On July 30th, 1979, most national newspapers featured headlines declaring Janata Party bans dual membership, spotlighting the party's decision prohibiting members from affiliating with organizations endorsing theocratic states. Janata Party's General Secretary Ram Krishna Hegde openly targeted the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, affirming that members of the party would no longer hold dual membership. Little did they realize that this decision would alter the country's political landscape permanently. The birth of the Bharatiya Janata Party, a nationalist organization, soon followed, poised to reshape Indian politics in the years to come, making a pivotal moment in the nation's political trajectory. As the BJP completes its 44 years on April 6, 2023, just a few days ahead of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, it's crucial to examine its journey. What were the political junctures that propelled the party forward? How did it become the largest political organization in the country, boasting a formidable membership of 11 crore as claimed by its officials? The ideological journey of the BJP mirrors the journey of India itself, from the pre-liberalization era through the Mandal-Kamandal politics to the current condition, where ideology is both spatial and temporal. For this and more, read the latest issue of Outlook.